New roller coaster coming the next year, or maybe in 2020, a new roller coaster. It's what coaster enthusiast forums are buzzing about today after some cryptic flyers started appearing along with pieces of old roller coaster wood around the park. Consumer reporter John Matarese is doing a little investigating on this. And John, what are you figuring out here?
Well, Tanya, it appears the teasing may have begun. According to coaster fans, Cedar Fair, the owner of Kings Island, appears to be dropping hints that something big may soon be announced. Possibly even a reborn Son of Beast. Take a close look at this flyer, just posted on the Instagram group Emotional Roller Coasters. Group members say it was spotted at Cedar Point in northern Ohio. Number 5 is alive, it says, apparently referencing the defunct Son of Beast, torn down in 2012 after a decade of troubles. Kings Island guests we spoke with, like Morgan Coleman and Colton Moore, told us they would love to see a new ride.
I think it'd be pretty exciting. I'd like that.
I think that'd be awesome for a new roller coaster to come in.
One coaster enthusiast who hosts a YouTube channel called Theme Park Crazy shows why he thinks a new Son of Beast may be announced soon.
First up, there's the obvious mentioning of Outpost 5, which was the name of the ride's currently standing but not operating station.
More clues?
The flyer also mentions that after years of searching, the remnants of Number 5 have been found, and officials are formulating a plan to bring it back.
Now don't look for these posters yet here at Kings Island. It turns out that when Cedar Fair wants to start teasing a new ride at one of its parks, they put the posters up first at Cedar Point in Sandusky. But there may be clues starting to pop up inside Kings Island at the Son of Beast Memorial.
Discarded wood has recently been spotted under the ride's memorial in the queue line of Banshee. Why put this wood here now unless they're teasing something for the near future?
Kings Island told us it is not involved in any of these posters. However, a spokesman for Cedar Point, Anthony Clark, told us Cedar Point does not comment on rumor or speculation. Fun stuff, though, isn't it? Indeed, it is fun, especially to coaster fans like Madison Ledbetter.
It's been like, Mystic Timbers just came out and everything, but it's like the same roller coasters every time we come, so I think a new one would be pretty exciting.
Now, we need to point out this is all speculation. We really have no facts here from the park. Now, several enthusiasts, though, say rather than a new Son of Beast, it's more likely the park may be planning to revamp and expand Adventure Express, the most forgotten coaster at Kings Island. So, curious now? Here's what you can do. Go to Kings Island in the next few weeks, look for the clues. They're next to the Banshee waiting line, and see if you agree something's brewing. Tanya?